Trial began today in Russia behind closed doors. It's for a U.S.-Russian dual citizen accused of committing treason by fundraising for Ukraine's military. Ksenia Karelina was born in Russia but built a new life in the U.S. working at a spa. Keir Simmons reports her trial hinges on a donation to a New York nonprofit benefiting Ukraine.
This morning, our first glimpse of American Ksenia Karelina in months. Casually dressed, sitting in the dock, managing something of a smile. Karelina in court for her trial in Yekaterinburg, Russia, only to learn she will wait longer, the case postponed until August. A long way from her life in California, an amateur ballerina who became a US citizen and, friends say, was only in Russia to visit her elderly mother. The 33-year-old charged with treason because, her boyfriend says, she donated just $51.80 to a Ukrainian charity. In a statement overnight, he told NBC News, "She is an innocent young woman with her whole life ahead of her. She is full of compassion and donated a small amount to a US non-profit to help people in need. She is not an activist for any cause." Expressing the hope the court will see that prosecuting her is a mistake and send her home to Los Angeles. She joins a growing list of American citizens imprisoned in Russia, including Wall Street Journal reporter Evan Gershkovich, whose trial begins next week, facing the same judge as Ksenia Karelina. His newspaper says he is innocent. The US says he is wrongfully detained. President Putin this morning in Vietnam after a visit to Kim Jong-un in North Korea, signing more strategic partnership agreements, has said talks are underway to exchange Gershkovich following the 2022 deal for WNBA star Brittany Griner, who was freed in a prisoner swap after time in a penal colony she says she will never forget.
It's Keir Simmons reporting. If convicted, she faces up to 20 years in prison.